Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone news and reviews. Helicopter DJI Mini 5 Pro is here, bringing cutting-edge upgrades to the world of compact drones. With improved camera tech, longer battery life, and smarter features, this drone is set to redefine portability and performance. But is it worth the hype? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive drone news, reviews, and comparisons. Advanced camera and imaging features. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to come equipped with an upgraded camera sensor, offering superior low-light performance and a higher megapixel count than its predecessor, the Mini 4 Pro. Enhanced HDR capabilities and 10-bit color depth are expected to deliver richer, more dynamic visuals, making it a top choice for content creators seeking professional-grade aerial footage. Improved battery life and extended flight time. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a more efficient battery system, enabling longer flight times compared to the Mini 4 Pro. With enhanced power optimization and a possible boost in battery capacity, users can enjoy extended aerial sessions with fewer interruptions, making it a dependable choice for long-duration shoots. Enhanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent navigation. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature an upgraded omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, improving flight safety and precision. With the potential integration of AI-powered navigation, this model could offer smoother autonomous flights, enhanced subject tracking, and greater return-to-home accuracy, making it more reliable in complex environments. Enhanced transmission and connectivity. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a next-generation transmission system, delivering extended range, lower latency, and more stable connectivity. With advancements in Wi-Fi and upgraded OcuSync technology, users can expect real-time, high-quality video transmission, even in challenging signal environments. Sleek foldable design with enhanced durability. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to retain its lightweight, foldable design while incorporating more robust materials for increased durability. With a refined, aerodynamic build, it may offer better wind resistance, ensuring greater reliability for flights in diverse weather conditions compared to the Mini 4 Pro. Advanced obstacle avoidance and smart navigation. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Equipped with enhanced detection sensors, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to deliver more precise navigation and superior collision avoidance compared to the Mini 4 Pro. AI-assisted path planning and improved return-to-home accuracy could make flying in complex environments safer and more intuitive, especially for beginners. Extended flight time with optimized battery efficiency. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature a more advanced battery system, offering longer flight durations than the Mini 4 Pro. With improved power management and lightweight materials, users can enjoy extended aerial sessions with fewer recharges, making it ideal for long filming projects. Enhanced wind resistance and flight stability. DJI Mini 5 Pro. With improved aerodynamics and optimized motor efficiency, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer superior wind resistance compared to its predecessor. This enhancement would enable more stable flights in challenging weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance even in moderate winds, an essential upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro. Advanced AI-driven flight modes. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature upgraded AI-powered flight modes, delivering smoother and more precise automated shots. Enhancements in subject tracking, orbit mode, and waypoint navigation could improve responsiveness and accuracy, enabling more professional-grade aerial cinematography compared to the Mini 4 Pro. Enhanced accessory compatibility and customization. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer improved modularity, supporting a wider range of accessories such as upgraded ND filters, extended battery packs, and advanced remote controllers. This expanded compatibility would provide greater customization options, making it a versatile choice for both casual users and professional filmmakers. Enhanced low-light performance and night mode. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature an advanced night mode with improved low-light capabilities, enabling clearer and more detailed shots in darker environments. With upgraded sensor sensitivity and noise reduction technology, it could deliver superior nighttime photography and videography compared to the Mini 4 Pro. Conclusion: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to bring significant upgrades over the Mini 4 Pro, including better battery life, improved AI-powered flight modes, and enhanced obstacle avoidance. With refined stability and advanced navigation features, it could offer a more seamless and professional flying experience for both beginners and experienced drone users. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, game changer or just another upgrade? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert drone reviews and updates. See you in the next video.